Vipoint by the IIT students. So they have a Vipoint orchestra. And Gadgil uncle, he asked whether he should bring the sitar, and on special request we said no, not the sitar, but we want him to sing a parody that he's very famous across all batches of IIT for. So IIT, with all these lofty things we hear about, students everywhere have issues with their own campus, wherever they have studied, in terms of food, professors, the medical facilities. So I will ask Gadgil uncle to come, and the grand finale of the day is this song on IIT Bombay.
And sir would come on his bicycle, and the typical old-fashioned clip that you wear against your pajamas so that you don't spoil it with the chain. You know, you don't get black marks on your pajamas. He used to wear that, and he used to push the cycle from the lakeside road onto this thing. The other memories I have is I might have missed a lot of classes and lectures and things like that. I never missed his music class. I would always be there. So the amount of songs, the sheer variety of songs that one learned at his hands, at his behest, was incredible. I would only list out, you heard Sanga Charram, right? There you go. So, Salil Chaudhary songs. That's right, that's the other voice.
And then he would take great pains to translate, because you know some
साथ में हिंदी भी बोलाता ना.
हाँ, हिंदी भी था.
चलो घोर की राय.
Then what else? Jano bedona ami klanto je obuhana ami rito je nishan to joy potaka tule surjo toron tawanaya umarano. Lovely songs. I mean, Shodo Gyano Shiva. I mean, anyway. If I sit down quietly, I'll remember many more. I remember the bandishes. The first bandish was Bhoop. Itne Javan se Manan. Homemade. Unfortunately, it was not made by him. I think it was made by Bodhi at that point in time. So. And then, of course, also had the benefit of going with him for various programs. You know, Odissi dance.
मेनका क्लकर.
हाँ, नहीं, sir, Taj में था. That program was in Taj. It was a male dancer.
मेनका क्लकर.
हाँ, तो उनके साथ हमको 2-4-5 लाइन गाना, 2-3 सरगम, बाकी तो डांस और सब सर का तबला. वो उसके बाद अच्छा खाने को मिलता था. Meal at Thakkar's, a dinner at Thakkar's or something like that. Sometimes the Thana Bengali club used to call us for Durga Puja, you know, for the Durga Puja Agamani songs and things like that.
सब जगह में खाना मिलता था.
हाँ? वहाँ भी खाना मिलता था, वहाँ भी अच्छा खाना मिलता था. The food was a major attraction apart from the music. Anyway, so yeah, so there might be a few here who are not from IIT and who may not be that tuned to the IIT way of life or studies or whatever. So only for small explanation only for them. So the song is in 3 verses. The first verse is dedicated to lecturers and professors of IIT who were the bane of our lives then, so. The second verse, that should be common for anyone who has been through any kind of studentship would understand that. So it's not particular to IIT. But the second one is, it was about the hospital. We are 2 respectable gentlemen, the doctors, Dr. Belengadi and Dr. Chakravarti. They were very good friends of the students. In the sense, whenever we were not prepared for a test or something, you could go down to the hospital straight away. Dr. Chakravarti was so amazing. If he saw a queue of students outside, he knew precisely why we had come. So in his left hand, he used to have a stamp ready, a rubber stamp, which said, "Advised rest." So before you told him, I have a pain here, which comes up here, he would say, "Advised rest." And so you could do the test on some other day when you are better prepared to do the test. God bless both of them. And the third verse is meant for the mess secretaries. They were from amongst the students, but they used to decide the menu for the month and week and the mess bills and things like that. Not that it didn't matter who the mess secretary was. Did I say something else? Mess secretaries. And because no matter who the mess secretary was, the food never changed. So, okay, for the lecture. बॉल पॉइंट कलम से जर्नल तूने रोज लिखाई, कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताई, तेरे ही क्लासों में सोया रहा मैं, तेरी ही लैब से भागा, तेरे सबमिशन में उलझा रहा मैं, जैसे कि माला में धागा। मैथ्स और फिजिक्स, फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स जैसा है थर्ड ईयर, करना होगा थर्ड ईयर हमें कई। हाथ कॉगिंग किया पकड़ा गया तो क्या होगा, करना होगा थर्ड ईयर हमें कई। Now for Dr. Chakravarti and Dr. Belengadi. Monday या Tuesday, Wednesday या Thursday, तू रोज हॉस्पिटल को आए, जितना ही they used to hate our guts, I mean, we were a pain. Monday या Tuesday, Wednesday या Thursday, तू रोज हॉस्पिटल को आए, जितना ही जाए तू दूर हमसे, उतने ही हम पास आए। रजिस्ट्रार ने रोका, प्रोफेसर ने टोका, हॉस्पी ने हंसकर पुकारा, मेडसर्ट तेरा, मेडसर्ट was the medical certificate, मेडसर्ट तेरा लेकिन लिए घर आया सबसे किनारा। हाँ, कितने ये क्लास टेस्ट, कितने ये क्विज़ेस, टेंशन हमें है हजार, देना होगा मेडसर्ट हमें कई बार। बेस्ट सेक्रेटरीज, पत्थर काटा आलू बटाटा क्यों हमें रोज खिलाए। RK was the Udupi joint outside the campus. पत्थर काटा आलू बटाटा क्यों हमें रोज खिलाए। जितना ही खाऊं हार के मैं जाऊं, जॉन्डिस हमें तू दिलाए। सुबह बटाटा, शाम को बटाटा, दिन में 4 बार बटाटा। याद आए, भूख लगाए, याद आए आलू बटाटा। कैसा ये महफिल, कैसा ये खाना, इनका मेल कैसे जमाना। खाना होगा यही हमें कहीं हाँ कहीं